Hello, my Chocolate Festival fans. My name is Michaela Schupp. I live in Hanover in Germany, and we made a live festival for 5 years. Last year we couldn't do it because one of our neighbors moved out, and this year we had Corona. But we said we miss you and we want to do a festival with you, and so we decided to do the first virtual festival in Chocolate Gourmet Festival in the world. And I need you to do that. And we will do this with Zoom. And you only need your handy with the camera. And I would like to do an interview with you and ask you some curious questions and try to get some secrets from you. And we will also do a live tasting afterwards with 3 or 4 of your products that we have to ship to Hanover first, but that's not a problem. We can handle that. In the second room, we would like to have expert talks, so somebody talking about history of cacao or chocolate, for example, or what is happening on the plantation, why is this important, and everything else. Maybe we will also have a panel that will show. And in the third room, we will have the workshop. So if you want to do a workshop, please let me know. It can be how to make chocolate at home or how to create your own bonbons. Or if you want to do something for children, that should be possible because the parents can watch from home and the kids can mess around at home as well. So the date is the 27th to the 25th to the 27th of September. So it's a Friday through Sunday, and I would like you to participate. So please get in touch with me, especially if you're not on our festival email list, because I don't have your contact dates. Then get on our webpage ChocolatsDeLuxe.de or Chocolate-Hannover. You will find our email address, or try to contact me on Facebook, wherever. I'm looking forward to you, and I'm looking forward to the first global Chocolate Gourmet Festival in the world. Thank you. Bye bye.